Ever found yourself stuck in the endless loop of printing, signing, and scanning documents? Enter SigneXpert, the ultimate tool designed to streamline this process, making it seamless and efficient. Let's kick things off by exploring signature management, the core of SigneXpert. This feature hands you the reins to your signatures. You can easily create a new signature by tapping on the Create Signature button. Draw your signature, hit save, and just like that, you've got a unique signature ready for use. But what if you want to tweak something? Maybe your signature needs a little more flair, or perhaps it's time to delete an old one. No worries. Simply select the signature you wish to edit, make your modifications, and save. If a signature needs to be retired, a swift swipe to the left will do the trick. Now for the moment of truth. Select a signature from your collection, tap to choose, and there you have it. Your signature is ready to grace any document with a simple tap. Next, we plunge into the visually enhanced world of direct document signing. Featuring dazzling 3D effects, this feature not only allows you to sign documents directly, but also makes the experience aesthetically pleasing, saving you even more time. Choose a document popping out of your 3D gallery or select a PDF that floats in a 3D space and you're all geared up. Tap on the document, which gives a visual 3D pop, pick your signature and sign away with a stroke leaves a trail of 3D ink behind. It's as straightforward and visually stunning as that. After signing, the document seamlessly slides back into your gallery in a 3D motion, making saving the document a breeze. Your signed document is stored directly in your 3D gallery, ensuring a visually appealing and fuss-free signing experience. So there you have it, folks. SigneXpert, your one-stop solution for all your document signing needs. It's a game changer for anyone dealing with paperwork, promising to make your life a whole lot easier. If you found this video helpful, show some love by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. This is Prolonian signing off. Until next time.